HDS2102A Automotive Diagnostic Oscilloscope. Professional Automotive Diagnostic Library. Press the mode key to seamlessly switch between functions. 3-in-1. Dual-channel oscilloscope. Multimeter. Expert Automotive Diagnostics. 6 categories of automotive waveform diagnostic library. Custom waveform testing supported. Engine ignition testing, sensor testing, engine test, starting testing, charging test, bus diagnosis. Comprehensive accessory options covering core automotive repair scenarios. Provides various accessories for core automotive diagnostics, supporting both quick troubleshooting and in-depth analysis. Ideal for repair shops, for dealerships, and technical training use.
Audio Jungle.